Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to my channel.
Fatma will tell you human body parts.
Today I am telling you human body parts. Here, here, ear to hear, ear to hear, eyes to see, eyes to see, mouth to eat, mouth to eat, teeth to chew, teeth to chew, tongue to taste, tongue to taste, nose to smell, nose to smell, foot to walk, foot to walk, hand to touch. Learn with fun. Thank you for watching.